get one of those like where the phone hangs over your neck. So if you slip down, it's still connected to you.
I think I'm gonna drop with the phone.
Hold on for life, when you drown with the phone.
Hi Dan. Hi everybody. So now we are heading to the place that where we booked our boat. 2 boats actually. So look at this, guys. It's beautiful views and it's them and JJ. Okay, hold. Going to this bridge. Look at that. Oh my. How beautiful that is. So, other side. So this is the view from the right side of me, right? So look at that. Red boats. Blue boats. Amazing, isn't it? Oh, look at this small bridge. Going up this small bridge. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Hi Jay, are you excited?
Start for you.
Dan, are you excited?
Anyone for you. And then you find an old Dutch windmill without the wings, only the body standing there, also number 1, but it's a big structure.
Yeah.
There you turn to the right, to the lake, and then you go over the lake to number 2 hours, huh?
Yes.
Yes. To number 5, back inside,
Okay.
at the end to the right, and after the church, which is also number 3, you come back in this canal.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And that's the 2-hour route. The water is maximum 1 meter deep, you can walk everywhere.
Okay, so if you drop your phone, you can jump in and get the phone.
Yeah. If you want to brake, you put it in the other direction. 0, there's no power, no steering.
Simple.
There's 1 boat.
Okay.
And I put that one here for you. As the first one is go.
Yeah, good.
Please watch your hand.
The insurance doesn't cover that, I think.
A little bit more forward.
More forward.
Be careful.
A little bit more power to the left.
Wow.
You have too little power here, also not steering.
Yeah, exactly. You didn't have power to steer, so it was like up, on. came out a bit 2 years ago, the last time?
Yes.
2 years ago we came here, but without the boys.
Ah,
So, he's not in trouble. They're gonna learn, right?
yeah, he learned by the way.
You can't hold their hands
Please.
the whole time, right? Okay. Ladies first.
I got some. All right.
You need
Thank
that way,
you.
yeah?
That's okay. Go.
Where you going?
Go reverse under the bridge, take that. Yeah, now forward to the other side. Yes.
Ray,
Doom. All right. Enjoy then.
You do that too late. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll help you a little bit. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I should have brought a. Yes.
This must be a beauty thing.